Aloha and xin chao. This is Johnny Amazon again with another product review. This time I'm doing something called a Ferrofluid speaker visualizer rhythm maker, whatever that means. As you can see, I've already turned it on, so it's responding to the, I guess, the sound vibrations from my voice. And this product is this thing right here specifically. Now it's gotten some bad reviews because apparently this orbiter device that's encased in this hard glass tended to pop and burst with all these fluid inside breaking out. So hopefully that doesn't happen to mine. And with that in mind, since it's still working, I'm not gonna give it a bad rating. However, I can't give it a high rating because, wow, that simple thing is $130. Now I've seen other ones on here as well, and they are not cheap, as you can see from other products on here. However, they shouldn't have to be this expensive for you to enjoy it. I think something like this for $50 makes a lot more sense. So therefore, I'm gonna rate this for now 3 stars. Hopefully the price comes down so I can give it a better rating. And also, let's play some music and see how it responds to actual music. This is a song by Aaron Kwok from Hong Kong.
如果你下一天反手走到你前，你將失去這份緣，還向你提早段離開的，我於此際你面前剛走過。
Now it also comes with this magnetic thing with a little felt bottom so it doesn't scratch the glass. And what it does is it collects all of the stray and small tiny bits, so I guess what you can call it, the ferrofluid, and you can kind of gather them up if they get too out of hand and then release them when you're set. And then yeah, as you see, you'll join the rest of the group.
就算天想起那日，亦覺得真湊巧，就似出生當天早注定碰面，早約好，讓你與我照約。
So actually, pretty awesome if you ask me. Just not $130 awesome. All right, you guys take it easy. Aloha and xin chao. This is Johnny's Amazon once again.